Okay, I did not expect Honda to actually bring the Element back like this. Because most companies, when they revive an old name, completely miss the point. They either make it too futuristic, too expensive, or they turn it into another generic crossover that nobody remembers 2 years later. But this actually feels like a real Honda Element. And honestly, it might end up becoming one of the smartest SUVs Honda has made in years. The first thing you notice is how unapologetically boxy it is, and that's a good thing. Everything today looks overly curved and melted together, but the Element still has that squared-off shape that instantly makes it practical. You can already tell this thing is going to have ridiculous cargo space, tons of visibility, and probably enough room to fit half your apartment in the back. And somehow Honda made it look cleaner and more modern without ruining the personality. The front end has this rugged minimalist look with simple LED headlights, black cladding, and just enough SUV toughness without trying too hard. It doesn't look like it belongs on a rock-crawling trail. It looks like something you'd actually want to live with every day, which honestly is probably why people love the original so much. The side profile still screams Honda Element too. Flat roofline, huge windows, upright body shape, this thing looks like it was designed by somebody who actually uses their car instead of just posing next to it on Instagram. And let's be real. This is probably going to become the ultimate lifestyle vehicle. Camping trips, surfboards, dogs jumping in the back, road trips, college students, outdoor gear. This SUV feels like it was built specifically for people that are always doing something. And unlike giant three-row SUVs that feel huge everywhere you drive them, the Element looks compact enough to actually be easy to park and daily drive. Now Honda hasn't officially released every detail yet, but expect this thing to focus heavily on practicality, fuel economy, reliability, and smart interior storage solutions instead of chasing crazy horsepower numbers. And honestly, that's exactly what the Element should be. Not every SUV needs to pretend it's a race car. Sometimes people just want something useful, reliable, comfortable, and different from everything else on the road. And that's exactly why the Element still has such a loyal fan base today. The crazy part is, Honda might have accidentally brought back the perfect SUV at the perfect time.